Y'all, it's about to get real shady up in here. Today, we're talking about sunglasses from SOJOS Vision. So if you want to see all the fun shades that I got from this awesome, affordable sunglasses website, keep on watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica. I make videos about beauty, lifestyle, fashion, and travel. Not so much travel lately, but I do have some old travel footage that I'm going to be editing pretty soon for you all in the meantime. But let's not get off track. Today I am doing a review of SOJOS Vision, which is an online retailer, also on Amazon, where you can purchase affordable but super cute sunglasses and blue light blocking eyeglasses for both men and women. So let's get right into this. I just want to say that this video is sponsored. So thank you so much, SOJOS Vision, for sponsoring this video. However, you all know, I will let you know my honest thoughts and opinions on everything. So not to worry. Thank you so much for SOJOS for partnering with me on this video. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button so that you can join my YouTube fam. I often share really awesome, affordable fashion websites on this channel. So if you're into being bougie on a budget and having some fun, on-trend, stylish pieces in your wardrobe without spending a bunch of money, then you will absolutely love my content. So stick around and let's be friends. I ordered 5 pairs of sunglasses. We're gonna get into that in a minute. First, I want to give you guys a little background on SOJOS Vision in case you're not familiar with their company. So they are a California-based brand, which I love because I'm also based in California. They're run by women, which I absolutely love. And their motto is inspired style for fearless women. I mean, that really speaks to me because I am fearless. So here's what they're all about. They really wanted to create some sunglasses and eyeglasses for women that are stylish, luxurious. SOJOS has been around for about 10 years and they work with some awesome designers in Italy, the US, and Spain to create these awesome and stylish frames. Basically, they saw a gap in the sunglasses market where it's like your choices were either buy really cheap, flimsy sunglasses that will fall apart, or you have to spend a ton of money on designer sunglasses for something that's quality and on trend and stylish. Well, that is where they decided to jump in. So their styles are all very cutting edge. They also have some classic ones, but they're made out of quality materials so that you're not spending a ton of money, but you're getting something that's quality and something that is chic that you will love to wear. Whether you're going to the beach or work, or you're dressed up or you're dressed down, they have a pair of sunglasses for any occasion, and with the prices that they have their products at, you can afford to have multiple pairs and have some sunglasses for any mood or look that you're going for. They also make men's sunglasses, but you'll find quite a few of their styles are unisex, which I really love because I do love to wear some more masculine style sunglasses from time to time. So there's definitely some great styles on there for the guys too. All of their sunglasses and blue light blocking glasses range from $14.99 to $44.99. So that price point you cannot beat. It's so affordable. All of their sunglasses have UV 400 protection. UV 400 will protect your eyes from both UVA and UVB radiation, and they will filter out glare and protect your eyes from long-term UV damage when you go out in the sun. They also have a pretty great return policy. If you are not happy with your sunglasses, you can return them as long as it's within 30 days, as long as you did not buy the sunglasses while they were on sale. However, you guys can find out more about their return policy on their website. I'll leave that link below. Obviously, I won't go too much into that. I also have a coupon code, which if you use this code, then you can save some money on your purchase. So I will just put that right here, and the amount of discount that it is, I'm not really sure what it is at the time of this filming, but by the time this goes up, I will have it. So let's get into the sunglasses that I got, shall we? When you order from them, you will receive your sunglasses in a box like so. And I'll show you all. And it's got this little pull tab right here. You just pull it right on out. And here is the case. Right inside, you've got your little cloth to wipe your lenses with. Here's the case. This case feels so nice. It's a like triangular type hard case, and it's this little flap right here that says SOJOS, and it is magnetic. So you just open that up and voila. Here is the inside of the case. It's kind of got a like microfiber lining to it. And it also comes with a little keychain screwdriver for your frames. So that is so handy because sometimes your sunglasses start to get a little bit worn if you wear them all the time. They just feel loose. So you can have this guy on hand to tighten up the hinges on your glasses and fix that problem quickly and get on with your life. So I love that they include that. That is amazing. The first pair that I've got here, this pair is called Slide, and there's these aviators that make such a bold statement. Like, I don't know if you guys can really see, but the lens does not go inside of the whole frame. It's sort of this plastic that is like a stripe almost. They kind of remind me of these Gucci sunglasses that were really popular a couple years ago. But I'll come a little closer so you can see. But these are Slide. They are just this yellow tinted lens. I really kind of like it with the sweatshirt that I'm wearing currently. Honestly, like, I don't know how much these would really block bright sunlight because of how light the lenses are, and my eyes tend to have they tend to be very sensitive to bright light, but I just really like they're just so cool. They would add so much to an outfit, and I have plenty of sunglasses already that I know that I can use on a really bright sunny day. These would just be like for fashion. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. They still do have that UV 400 technology in them, so your eyes are protected from the sun. I would be curious to go outside and see like if they really block it and I'm not squinting too much. But if you guys follow me on Instagram, I will let you know over there. So if you find me there on my Instagram, I often on my stories update and give some quick reviews about things. So find me there if you want to see a follow-up of this outside. This pair is more on the high end of their price range, and they retail for $44.99. The next pair also come in this case, and are the Lulu shades. They're a heart-shaped frame with a light purple lens. They also come in some other colors, but I love heart sunglasses. I already have several pairs, but I don't have any purple ones, and these are so fun. I feel like this shape is very flattering on so many people's faces. It just looks good on everyone, and they're just such a statement. I always get so many compliments, and people like just smile at me when I wear heart sunglasses. I think it just brightens people's day, so that's why I love to wear them. You feel like a little heart emoji. So these retail for $29.99. Of course, like all their sunglasses, they have the UV and UVA blocking in the lens, so your eyes are protected. The frame feels really nice. Like, I don't know if it's going to translate much on camera, but the metal does not feel like cheap or flimsy. The hinges like just feels like they fold like they're very tight. Like, it's not like loosey-goosey, flimsy construction going on here. They're super lightweight, which I love. You don't want your sunglasses to be super heavy. They fit on my face so well. They're not going to fall off. So far, I'm really liking the pairs that I've gotten. Next pair are I went for a couple pairs of purpley pink sunglasses, but these are called Fire. I love these. They feel very like kind of like a modern / like 90s sort of vibe take on the cat eye. These like smaller sunglasses are very on trend right now. This pair retails for $19.99, and again, they also come in some different colors. That cute little detail on the corner where it's like kind of cut out, and the bridge. This is some like just a small detail that I love. Like, it's pointed right there. How cool is that? You wouldn't really see small details like that when you buy inexpensive sunglasses, because they just don't put the time or the effort into their design. But you can tell with these that it's just like something a little bit unique, and little touches like that are really what creates like a cool piece that makes it look more expensive, that sets it apart. The next pair is called Motivation, and these are a classic square type shape. These retail for $14. I wanted these because they kind of remind me of a pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses that I've been looking at for a while that are a similar shape to this. Of course, I just do not want to spend money on Ray-Bans at this moment in time, so these are such a great dupe for those that I was looking at, and they are very dark in contrast with the fun, like, fashiony ones that I've showed you. These I could see myself being able to wear just every day to protect against the bright sun, no questions, and they will get the job done. I love they have that detailing on the sides. It's sort of like, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's got those little small fine indentations in the metal, kind of like how Ray-Ban would have theirs. So that same type of indentations on the metal going around the rim. So you can just see the small little details that they put into the designs of these glasses to really make them feel elevated, and not like they're cheap sunglasses. They really have a more luxe feel, but again, they're not heavy, they're lightweight on your face, and they're very, very comfortable too, I have to say. All right, last but not least, let's see what's inside this box. Yes. So this last pair is called Jasper, and they are this very fun, like sort of retro inspired cat eye sunglasses. They also come in multiple colors. I absolutely love these. Cat eyes are probably my favorite shape to wear. I just think that they look good on my face shape, and I also love the very like feminine retro vibe. I have so many pairs of cat eyes, but I don't have a pair that are like a red frame like this. And if you can see, if the camera will pick it up, they're made from acetate, but the acetate has like kind of a sparkle to it, and it's so fab. And you can see on the side there, they have their little S for SOJOS. These again are also very dark. They would be great, and I would definitely not question their ability to help me keep the sun out of my eyes and wear them on the regular. They are just so fab. I just could see myself wearing like a scarf and like being in a like old convertible driving in these. Can't you? Can't you just picture it? Jasper retails for $44.99. They're just so fabulous. I know these also come in other colors, as do all the other frames that I have showed you in this video. Well, that concludes my little SOJOS review slash haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you to discover a new, affordable, but so worth it brand to go to for sunglasses or some blue light blocking glasses. I didn't end up getting any blue light blocking lenses from them just because I have so many of them already, and you only need like so many pairs of those. But if you guys are like living for TikTok and your computer and all those things right now, it is important to try to wear blue light blocking glasses when you do. It protects your eyes from the damaging blue lights. If you are interested in those, definitely check them out. They're so cute as well. Thank you so much again for watching. Thank you again to SOJOS for sponsoring this video. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all on my next video. All right, bye guys.